The State Law Comparison tool within Practical Guidance allows attorneys to compare laws across multiple states in a customized chart or report. To begin, go to the State Law Comparison tool from the Tools and Resources section of the Practical Guidance homepage or the Tools and Resources section of the applicable practice area page. Select a practice area and topic. Choose the jurisdiction of interest, as many as needed. Note that certain practice areas, such as labor and employment, have a U.S. Federal tab. This allows users to easily compare state laws versus corresponding federal laws. Then, select relevant legal questions to compare across the chosen jurisdictions. Note that you can pick as many legal questions as you want to compare. For this particular example, we will compare minimum wage requirements across states, and we will include a federal comparison as well. When finished, click Download. Finally, choose the preferred document type for download: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, or PDF. Type a file name if desired. Click Download. You will then be able to easily compare the minimum wage laws in the jurisdiction you picked in the format you selected. This is the report in Word. It provides a table of contents to make it easy to navigate between different sections of the report. It also provides links to helpful related practical guidance and primary and secondary materials. This is the customized chart in Microsoft Excel. The customized Excel chart allows you to compare state laws side to side, which makes it easy to quickly discern the similarities and differences between state laws. Note that each answer provides the current as of date, so you know exactly when the information for that state was last reviewed or updated. We're constantly monitoring legal developments in all practice areas. So, if there's a new state legal development, we will update the relevant sections in the State Law Comparison tool, and the current as of date will move forward for those updated sections. You'll also notice we provide short summary answers for each question we address in the State Law Comparison tool, so that you can quickly assess key information on state laws. The State Law Comparison tool provides the best and most efficient way to compare laws across multiple jurisdictions.